A BC Supreme Court just ruled that Aboriginal title ranks above private property ownership. And if you own land in British Columbia, this decision could completely change what your title actually means. In August, the BC Supreme Court awarded the Cowichan tribe's Aboriginal title over 750 acres in Richmond, declaring it is superior to fee simple ownership. That means private homeowners, businesses, and even government-owned land are now under a cloud of uncertainty. Here's what's already happening. Homeowners can't renew their mortgage. A $100 million project was denied financing. Property values are tanking because lenders won't touch anything with questionable title. And this isn't just about one neighborhood. There are over 2 million fee simple titles in BC that could be challenged under this precedent. What happens if insurers stop insuring homes? Here's my take, and I'm gonna be straight up. This is a disaster for property rights. And is there land that hasn't been conquered in the world before? You cannot build a functioning economy when people don't know if they actually own their land. People will not buy homes, which means builders are SOL, and businesses will not invest in those areas. The entire real estate market is built on certainty. Banks lend because title is supposed to be absolute. Buyers invest because ownership is supposed to be protected. This ruling throws all of that into question. And it gets worse. If this decision stands after appeals, it's not just going to stay in BC. Indigenous groups across Canada could start filing similar claims. In fact, as of shooting this video, there have been more claims for the entire Kamloops region in BC and a claim in Quebec. Now imagine waking up one day and finding out your property, your biggest asset, is now subject to a superior claim that you had no idea existed. The province and federal government are appealing, but here's the problem. They didn't even argue for extinguishment at trial. Richmond was the only party defending private property rights. That tells you everything about how seriously governments are taking this. If this ruling is upheld, we're looking at years of legal chaos, frozen real estate markets, and massive economic uncertainty. This isn't about reconciliation. It's about whether private property means anything anymore. Like, does this sound reasonable to you guys? Or is this completely insane? Share this with someone who needs to see it, and comment title to join our newsletter where we break down real estate and policy stories that actually impact your life every week.